welcome back my dear subscriber. I am solving the specific course, specialization course, the Python for everybody, and I will provide the solution for all the 5 courses under this specific course, specialization course, weekly wise. So here I am solving the first course under this specialization, and namely course is programming for everybody. So already I have provided solution up to 6th week, and I will cover the 7th week solution in this video. So if you want more solution, more courses solution, then you can visit the playlist of Deep Code Guru and you can find it. So already I have provided the solution for 2 courses, Deep Learning and Google IT Support. In future I will keep on adding more courses. You please check on this video, keep on checking the playlist, so you will get the solution over there. So now I am going to start the 7th week. So I am covering all the things weekly wise. So please you subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. If you have subscribed, then please you do share my video with your friend and colleagues. They will definitely appreciate you for sharing the solution and helping them out. So please you do that, and I hope here how we can complete this video, as I am reading from the
talk about definite loops.
So once the green tick is done, means done, right? So you can also join the
or something like that. So that's what's coming up
Deep
next.
Code Guru. I have also launched the official side of Deep Code Guru. So soon I will introduce you all this website, and you can get all those course detailed video, systematic order,
and how to find the smallest, and how to count things, and how to do averages and sums and stuff like that.
And for other courses also you keep on checking the playlist regularly,
etc., etc. So we looked at some loop idioms where you do something at the beginning, do something in the middle, and then you get the payoff.
So the video is completed, and now we are going for the quiz. So now I am going to solve the quiz. Okay. So this is for looping. Okay, the loop will run forever. Okay, and second okay, the exit program, exit the current looping. Okay, break, and for continue, so jump to the top of the loop, and the fourth is it is going to print 5. Okay, in 5th number it is going to print friend. In 6th it is going to print sum of all elements of the list, and in 7th it is going to print -1, and in 8th it is going to message the both type and value, and in 9th it is going to make the while result. Okay, and in 10th it is going to print 0. So I will again going to zoom it and show you, so you can easily follow up the solution. So for 1, the loop will run forever. For the second bit, exit the current loop. In 3rd there is jump. On 4th there is 5th. On 5th question there is friend. In 6th question, sum of all element of list. For 7th question, the answer will be -1. For 8th question, there is match both type and value. For 9th, there is while, and for 10th, there will be the 0. And you tick it and sum it. So you just need to score 80 or more. You can see here, now our score is 100. We will get back, and you can say this is completed. Now we will go next. In case of any doubt, you can comment me, or you can...
Hello and welcome to Python for everybody.
And if you have still not subscribed, then please guys subscribe it. I will get more motivation as you subscribe it, and also share this video. So I am going to solve this programming assignment. This is graded assignment. So with this video we will complete the first course. I will also download the certificate and I will show you. Actually the certificate will be like this. So let me show you the certificate. So the certificate will be like this, you will get, right? So I have already completed this course long back. So you can see here on 4/18 I completed this course. So for now I am going to pause this video and complete this assignment so I can save your time, and I will show the code and execution process. So now you can see I have completed this programming. So first you follow the code. Okay, so let me make it in the middle. Okay, and okay, so here you can see there is continue. Okay, so let me make it some small so you can follow. Okay, side. Okay, so let me wait please, let me manage it. Okay, so let me manage it on the page so you can easily follow up. Okay, still I have to minimize it. Okay, so now I hope you can follow up. So this is large known, smaller, smallest known. While true, you just follow it. Yes, this is semicolon, this is semicolon, and continue. So you do it, and please you subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. I will get more motivation to provide this type of solution, and I will definitely provide. If you are also interested in the NPTEL courses, I am going to provide 7 different courses solution. So you can go there, and different online courses I used to provide. So you can go and check my playlist. So once you subscribe and click on bell icon, so you will get update. This is the educational channel, so you will only get the education related things. So input is 7 2 buff 10 4 and done. So you can see now. Okay, so you can see now my output and desired output is the same, and also the grade had been updated on the server. So I will click on complete, and you can see here there is no green tick. I will refresh it and I will get the green tick. So this is the last week of this first course under the specialization Python for everybody, and warms up is there. So let me complete it just by skipping like this. So green tick done. So this is the thing you can go with, and this I will also complete it. So this is done, and here, so you can see this is done. So weekly wise guys I am providing. Next day I will provide for the next course, the second course under the specialization Python for everyone. So you can follow up, and now it is completed, and I hope we have got certificate over there. So I will go and check it out. So you can see here the certificate is now we have got it, and view certificate I will click and I will show you the certificate. So this is the way we can do the certificate, and we will get. So you can see within 30 minutes we got this certificate, and you can click and download, and even you can share your certificate. So you can see here this is the certificate we got. So this is the complete about the first course under the specialization Python for everyone, and the course name was programming for everybody. So please you do subscribe my channel if you still have not subscribed, and what are the next courses you are waiting for the solution, please you do comment, and I will definitely try to provide you the solution. So thank you all for watching my video, and you can join the Telegram group of Deep Code Guru, and please you don't forget to share this video and subscribe my channel. Have a good time.